All right, boys and girls, Thursday's homework, reread and answer questions 4 and 5. So we are reading again for this week, Prairie Dog Town. Prairie dogs are small animals that live on prairies or grasslands. These animals are a little like squirrels, but they have shorter tails. Pioneers crossing the Great Plains in the 1850s also saw these little animals peering out of holes in the ground. Because the animals made barking sounds, the pioneers called them prairie dogs. Prairie dogs are very social animals. Several families often share the same underground burrow. Many groups live near each other in prairie dog towns. Two prairie dogs put their front teeth together to make sure that they belong to the same group. When they do this, it looks like they are kissing. Prairie dogs make special sounds when enemies come near. Scientists think that the prairie dogs make a different sound to identify each kind of enemy. Prairie dogs dig safe, comfortable burrows. An entrance tunnel goes 3 to 10 feet straight down. The entrance tunnel leads to a level main tunnel that is 10 to 100 feet long. Side tunnels, used for nesting, branch out from the main tunnel. Prairie dogs are suited to the dry prairie weather. The insects, grasses, and flowers they eat give them all the water they need. Prairie dogs help keep the prairie ecosystem healthy. An ecosystem includes the physical parts of a place, such as hills, plains, and lakes. It also includes the plants and animals living there. Some scientists think prairie dogs fertilize the prairie soil. Prairie dogs are also food for many prairie animals. At times, other animals hide in prairie dog burrows. In that way, the prairie dog helps other animals live on the prairie, where there are few places to hide and keep warm. So we are answering questions 4 and 5. In what way are prairie dogs suited to the dry prairie weather? They do not require any water to survive. They can dig for water in special burrows. They get the water they need from eating insects and plants. They can make different sounds to warn about different enemies. And the last question, list 2 ways that the prairie dog helps other living things in an ecosystem. Use details from the passage to support your answer and write your response on another sheet of paper. Okay, for your multiplication, we have been dealing with the area model all week. So your problems for today, and you also have an extra sheet of scratch paper if you need it, is 58 times 81, 25 times 74, 94 times 19, 37 times 77, 99 times 94, and 94 times 59. Okay, so that is your homework for Thursday.